It's Ray, and in this video, I'm going to show how to use the newsletter to look for the latest stock trading opportunities. So this is generated every day automatically using the scans and the confluence of scans. So what you would do is you'll take the list and create a new watch list for it in stock charts, or this is my process at least. What do we call it? I gotta make this a more efficient way with some hotkeys. It's all dated, so today's the 25th. Take this right here, put the symbols in. Then you want to view the list as a chart glance, so it gives you all of it. And the blue line is the 50-day moving average, and the red line is the 200-day. And we're just going to go through all of these. And as we go through them, anyone that looks like good potential opportunities, we'll put into another watch list that we then monitor until the end of the day where we take action. So BRO, it's been on our watches for a few days now. 52-week highs maybe is why. But it's flagging here. I don't want to see it drop down. I want to see it blast up. No clue what this is. I just don't like the action. It's very choppy. Comcast is finding a bounce today, 1.63. Cisco found a bounce at the 50-day. It's still kind of stuck between this range, but it's good to see Cisco move. CVS, 1.43, small move. Chevron, 1.7. I mean, we did have a sell-off this morning at 7 a.m. Pacific. So NVIDIA came back. It's just been a crazy-ass Thursday. DHR is moving up. Something to keep an eye on. We've cleared the resistance level at the 50. We're clearing some of these support or resistance up here. And also is a bullish candle. EOG is finding a bounce in energy. FDS is finding a bounce. A lot of bounces right now is what I'm seeing. FedEx is still kind of healthy. I mean, it's like in no man's land. It's just, you bought at 260 and you're making money, and you're just kind of high off of that shit right now, right? F5, I mean, counterattack, man. We've got the support at the 50. We're trying to attack the 200. I would definitely put F5 on my list for today as a potential idea. GPC, Hasbro's popping. I'm not going to get in it. HCA is moving up. Juniper's good. I might look into a Juniper position. Okay. Lockheed Martin, 3 days in a row. I got to do another video with just the follow through, right? When we get a pop and then a huge pop, and then there's still continuation. So you're not, when you buy high at the 500 after the earnings, you're not too late. Airlines are finding a rally. Don't know what Matson is. Chip fighting a bounce. MongoDB still kind of, we don't even know why it shows up, to be honest. It's probably hitting some, we got to look later to see why it's showing up. It's Kudo. MSCI looks I'm just rushing through it right now. ORCL's been kind of sideways. PM's been moving the last 3 days. You made money. Pentair's on the list. We might be going in after this one, man. I mean, it's been quite choppy. TMO, this is the one that got away. We could have entered at the close yesterday. We would be up right now 100% on those options, which you would have bought in for 1,000, but I didn't pull the trigger. I liked it at 900. I could have gotten it at 1,000. I didn't do it. 1,000 on the table, but it's good to see that my read was good. UHS. Visa is still trying to find something. I mean, you might want to try to play it for a rally if it shows itself, but I stay away for a little bit now because ultimately you're still in a downtrend. So it's, you're playing the mean reversion at this point. After this big gap down, I'm just not trying to play hero. So just going to hold off. Wells Fargo's been on for a bit. Damn, hella missed this one. This one would have made me hella money right here. I mean, $1,000, but that's another thing. Like, I made a few mistakes yesterday. Maybe I should do a video on this. Like, having the human error of just making transactions during the daytime, looking at price. We're not really even looking at price, like looking at the P&L. So, having a way to figure where I can offload that decision making to a GPT and accept the given risk, and I think in the long term make more money just having a GPT that I follow as opposed to doing it discretionarily. So working on that one. Oh shit, what were the names? Fuck. I didn't save it. Let me just look at it. I mean, energy's turning up, like just Chevron. Oh, F5, Juniper. Man, TMO, man. Damn, I had that read yesterday too. Oracle might be a play. I ain't gonna lie. On second look, I would have. United Health Systems, man. Let's look at United Health System. They're a huge fucking health services. My bad. Universal. My bad. Shit. Universal Health System services. All right. From here, you go to stock charts, and then you just create a new watch list. Really. How do you even create a new watch list thing? Create a new list. Why the fuck is it all the way over here? Create a new list. The fuck? I wonder why I call these like that or something. 4. Then you add it at the ones that you looked over. I mean, they're all moving up today. That's good to know. I just usually use this chart right here, I don't gotta make it fancy and stuff. So, oh shit, wrong list. Fuck. I mean, the buy signal was here. Stock's already moved on earnings. So we're not buying it. Well, I mean, like Lockheed Martin, you know what I mean? But it's a quite expensive premium. I mean, this might be the play today. PNR is the play. This was the play yesterday. Would have gotten in right over here, which was a good spot to get in, and you would have made money. It's a good spot to get in because you cleared the support level at the 200 and this blue line. You got a buy signal, and you cleared another support level. So that's just like betting on the strength. And this time it worked out. I just had to make a bet. So F5. F5 buy the dip tight shit with it. Earnings though next on Monday. So overall though, I mean it's trying to bottom or something. Try to rally. It found resistance for sure. So I mean I'm staying away. I'll keep it on my watch though. JNPR. Ooh, the earnings are what's the earnings? After the bell? Shit, I'm buying it, dude. I'm buying some Juniper calls, dude. Are you kidding me? Into the close? Because I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen? Like it just like crashes down here, and I lose my money. So far, it's in the uptrend, and what if it popped like up here? You know what I mean? So we'll just play. We'll probably play the $38 calls if we're going to play this, and we should expect to lose money from it playing into earnings. But just looking at the like. So here's two ways to play it. One way is just to play hyper aggressive earnings, waiting for like next week type stuff. And longer term, this is going to be a great trade long term once we break out this range. Like this is just like a long term. Like we should expect it to be a $44 a share type shit. So keep it on your watch. Oracle earnings coming up in September. One to watch. I mean, it's finding support. It just hasn't shown its hand yet, and it's still in a sell right now. Yeah. So wait, hold up. Actually, it's like a buyish, sellish. Yeah, I'm playing this earnings, man. I mean, it could go either way, dude. It could go either way. Last earnings report. Ah, fuck, man. I wish I took the T. What the hell? Oh yeah, fucking. This was the one that got away yesterday. In hindsight, so I mean, same for Nvidia. I had Nvidia puts here, but I sold it like right here, like midday. So if I held it for 2 more days and sold it this morning, that would have been like 1,000 shares each. 1,000. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Let me know if you got any questions. I need today to play is PNR and Juniper, perhaps. Or was PNR's earnings? Earnings already passed. Yeah. So play some Plantiers. Play some Plantiers today and play some Junipers today, I guess. All right. Talk to you guys later. Peace.